Yes, snipers. Are you ready for viewXpoint? Let's go there. Let's go there. It's time. So let's.
Hello, guys. Good evening. Today I'm going to be talking about um, support and resistance and how to identify trend lines. So kindly follow suits and have understanding about it. Sorry, let me just clean this. Let me just clean this. So I'm making use of trading view. Making use of trading view. Okay. From the trading view, we're able to see the chart very well. We plot the chart very well before we try to execute the chart on our normal MetaTrader 4. So, how to identify supports and resistance, and where we can actually see support turning to become resistance. Okay. Now, there's a saying that says in the forex market, a rule that guides us in the forex market, that we buy at the support and we sell at the resistance. We buy at the support and we sell at the resistance. So the best time to buy, you always initiate your buy from the support, and the best time to sell, you initiate to sell from resistance. So now, how do we locate support? So I'm going to locate support here from this chart. So kindly look at it from this point to this point. So this is support actually. This support, we still have a support region down here. We have a support region down here, but it has no much drop downs on it. So do you know when this market got to this point? When this market got to this point, and from this point it brought up this point, it goes down to this point. So it has created a very good support here, a very good support. But that doesn't mean you have to buy. So let's rule our lines. Let's rule our lines. So that doesn't mean you have to buy. Yeah, okay. Doesn't mean you have to buy. So we have our support here. Okay. We have our support here. I'm coming. We have one of our supports there. And um we'll still get another support level. Okay. So let's get another support level. We still have another support level from this part. See, this is another support level. This is another support level. Okay. So let's draw another support level. So please take note of the support levels. Take note of the support levels. General support level. Okay, so we have another support level here. Okay. Now looking at this market, let's bring this thing down here. Let's bring it down here. So, looking at this market, guys, we've been able to at least identify where we have support level. Support level is at the bottom. Okay, so how do we identify resistance? So, these are resistance. Let's take our first resistance. This is resistance. Okay, these are resistance. Okay, the market did not actually move out of this point. These are resistance. I'm coming. Resistance level. Okay, let's identify another resistance level. We have another resistance level up here. Other resistance level up here. Okay, have another resistance level up here. So now we can literally say that at this point, okay, this is resistance. Sorry, this is also another resistance. Sorry, it's also another resistance from here. This point to this point is a resistance level. So we can literally say we buy from the supports, we sell from the resistance. Now, something happened to this market. You can see this market moved from here down to this point, breaks this support line down to this point. The market retraced back and formed another resistance line. Retraced back, went back to another resistance line, and went back to the support line. Remember, we have an initial support level. So the market broke down to this initial support level, which we still need to take down this initial support level, in which before we can assume that the market will break out or the market will be selling, it means this market will have to pass this recent low, breaking down from this point. So the market moved like this, broke down to this point, went up. So coming down to this point that it broke this point, you are not still certain that this market will be on a selling level. So you allow the market to go down and break this point. So immediately this market went up, try to retrace back, and it came down. From this point now, you can take your entering point that the market will sell. So you can see this market sold. You can see the market sold, went down, 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 down. You can see the market really, really sold. So that's what's about the market. Sold and the market retraced back. So that's for uh, support turning to resistance. Support turning to the resistance. In other words, the market broke down from support, turned back to resistance. So let's look at another support level. You see, from this level now, which is the support level, the market went up, 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 and up. Okay, up, and up. So from this level, you can see from this the resistance level. So you're actually looking at this market to break this level, go up, break this level, but the market went to this level and retraced back. So retracing back, this market now from this point to this point, this market now is in a position what we call ranging. Is in a position what we call ranging. So the market is of two types. We have an uptrend market, we have a downtrend market, and we have a ranging market. So how do you know an uptrend market and how do you know a downtrend market? Now looking at this part, this place now, from here to here, you can say, oh, this market is in downtrend. But you don't just classify a market to be in downtrend. You have to be very sure that this market is in downtrend. Something you can see downtrend. So from here to this upside, you can say the market is in uptrend. And from this point to this point, you can see this market moving from this point down to this line of the support level, move back to down to the line of the resistance level. You can literally say the market is in the market is currently ranging. The market is currently ranging. So we are looking at this market breaking this point. So if this market should break this support level, break down the support level, we can say the market will still sell. But you don't just assume the market to start selling if you're not really sure. And now, one thing that really propagates a market to either sell or buy is the news. What we receive from the update we get from fundamental analysis as regards the economic situation of a particular currency, or inflation, insecurity, unemployment. So this is unemployment changes, interest rate change. This is what we use to trade the market. So kindly drop your questions as regards this, as I will still do more videos for support and resistance. Thank you so much, guys. So at least with this now, you can know when to initiate to enter a buy trade and when to enter a sell trade. Now, okay, without, let me just explain this. So if this is support now, if this market should go up to this point and break this level, you can say this market is selling, and you just initiate a sell trend. But you have to be sure that your fundamental analysis is telling you that this market is selling, that the currency is weak. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Drop your questions down the box. Ready to